The year is 1985, a time of vibrant culture and significant scientific advancements. Scientists in Antarctica make a startling discovery, one that would change our understanding of the planet. A hole has formed in the ozone layer above the continent, a phenomenon never seen before. This invisible shield, vital for life on Earth, is thinning at an alarming rate. The culprit? Man-made chemicals, silently eating away at our planet's protection, particularly chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. The consequences could be dire, affecting every living organism on Earth. Increased ultraviolet radiation from the sun could reach Earth's surface, posing severe risks. This could harm plants, animals, and humans, disrupting ecosystems and food chains. Skin cancer rates could rise dramatically. The future looked bleak and uncertain. The world had a problem, a global crisis that transcended borders, a problem that needed immediate attention and collective action from all nations. The discovery sent shockwaves around the world, making headlines everywhere. It was a stark reminder of humanity's impact on the planet, a wake-up call for environmental responsibility. The ozone hole became a symbol of environmental destruction and the urgent need for change. But it also sparked an unprecedented international response, uniting countries in a common cause. The world came together to tackle this invisible threat, showing the power of global cooperation. The ozone hole was a wake-up call, a stark warning that could not be ignored. It was a call to action, a moment that galvanized the world to protect our shared home. High above us in the stratosphere lies a life-saving layer of gas. This is the ozone layer. It acts like a giant sunscreen for our planet. The ozone layer absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. UV radiation can damage DNA. It can cause sunburn. It can even lead to skin cancer. The ozone layer is essential for life on Earth. Without it, life as we know it would not be possible. The ozone layer allows plants and animals to thrive. It protects us from the sun's harmful rays. It is a delicate balance, a balance that we almost upset. Scientists scrambled to understand what was causing the ozone hole. Their investigations led them to a group of chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs. CFCs were widely used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays. They seemed harmless. They were non-toxic and non-flammable, but they had a dark side. Once released into the atmosphere, CFCs rise slowly. They reach the stratosphere. Here they are broken down by the sun's UV radiation. This releases chlorine atoms, and chlorine atoms are ozone-destroying machines. One chlorine atom can destroy thousands of ozone molecules. The use of CFCs was a disaster waiting to happen. The discovery of the ozone hole and its link to CFCs led to swift international action. In 1987, world leaders signed the Montreal Protocol. This landmark treaty aimed to phase out the production and consumption of ozone-depleting substances, including CFCs. It was a remarkable display of global cooperation. The Montreal Protocol was a testament to the power of science. It showed that when faced with a global threat, humanity could come together to find solutions. The protocol was not without its challenges. Industries resisted change. Developing countries needed assistance to transition to ozone-friendly alternatives, but the world persevered. The Montreal Protocol is considered one of the most successful environmental treaties ever implemented. It brought together nations from around the world to address a common threat to our planet. It has been universally ratified by all 198 UN member states, showcasing a rare moment of global unity and cooperation. The protocol's success is due in large part to its phased approach, which allowed for gradual implementation and adjustment. Developed countries were required to phase out CFCs first, followed by developing countries, ensuring a fair and balanced transition. A multilateral fund was established to provide financial and technical assistance to developing countries, helping them meet their obligations under the protocol. The Montreal Protocol has also been successful because it has evolved over time, adapting to new scientific findings and technological advancements. Amendments have been added to include new ozone-depleting substances as they are discovered, ensuring the protocol remains effective. The Kigali Amendment, adopted in 2016, aims to phase down hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, which are potent greenhouse gases. This amendment represents the protocol's ongoing commitment to protecting our atmosphere. The success of the Montreal Protocol in healing the ozone layer offers valuable lessons for addressing other global environmental challenges, such as climate change. It shows us that when nations come together with a common goal, significant progress can be made. The Montreal Protocol demonstrates the power of international cooperation. It is a testament to what can be achieved when countries put aside their differences and work towards a shared vision. It highlights the importance of science-based policymaking. Decisions grounded in scientific research and evidence are crucial for effective environmental protection, and it shows that phasing out harmful substances can have a real and lasting impact. Transitioning to sustainable practices is not just beneficial, but necessary for the health of our planet. The ozone layer is on the mend. This recovery is a direct result of global efforts and adherence to the protocol. The ozone hole is shrinking. This positive change is a clear indicator that collective action works. By mid-century, the ozone layer is expected to return to its pre-1980 levels. This projection gives us hope and a timeline to strive towards. The Montreal Protocol is a beacon of hope. It serves as a powerful reminder that we can make a difference. It shows that we can overcome global environmental challenges when we work together. Unity and collaboration are key to tackling issues like climate change. It is a reminder that we have a responsibility to protect our planet, for ourselves, for our children, and for generations to come. The actions we take today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us learn from the past. Let us act now.